Hi, I'm Byte. Last time, we learned how a computer can do addition. Today, let's quickly review what we learned, step by step. Last time, we gave the computer an addition mission, and it completed it by following our instructions. Ready? Let's break down the steps. First, we give the computer a number and save it in a label. Here, first number holds the number 2. Then we give the computer another number. Second number holds the number 3. Next, we add the two labels together and store the answer in result. Finally, print tells the computer to show the answer on the screen. All right, now let's see this work for real. It's time to do some live computer magic. First, let's open our web browser. At the top, we type pythononline.net and press enter. Ta-da! We're on our coding playground. Now look closely. Our screen is split into two big white areas. The left side is where we talk to the computer. This is where we type our code. The right side is where the computer talks back to us. This is where we see the answer, the result of our code. So, how does the answer show up on the right? Great question. After we finish writing our code, we press this big green arrow that says Run. Run means, computer, go do what I told you to do. Let's get ready, because we're about to press Run. Okay, now we're ready to talk to the computer. For our first example, we're adding 2 plus 3. First, I'm going to create a label called first number, and I'm going to store the number 2 inside it. Next, I'll make another label called second number, and I'll store the number 3 inside it. Now we're going to write result equals first number plus second number. That means add the two numbers together and store the answer inside the label result. After that, we'll write print, open parenthesis, result, close parenthesis. Print means show the answer on the screen. Okay, now let's press the green Run button. When we hit Run, the computer follows our instructions, and the answer should appear on the right side. Oh, I see a number. It says 5. So the computer thinks 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now let's double check with a calculator, just to be super sure. I'll type 2 plus 3 and hit equals. And the calculator says 5 too. Perfect! That means our code worked exactly like our math. All right, let's do a few more examples to make our brains stronger. We're going to use the same labels, first number, second number, and result, but we'll change the numbers inside them. Okay, new challenge. Before we run it, take a quick guess. What is 6 plus 9? Okay, we have our guess. Now let's put 6 and 9 into our boxes and ask the computer. Let's put a new number in our first label. First number now holds 6, and second number now holds 9. Now we add what's inside the two labels, and we store the answer in result. And we print result so the computer shows us the answer. All right, moment of truth. Let's hit Run. Boom, the computer prints 15. Now, let's double check using a calculator, just to be 100% sure. 6 plus 9 equals, it says 15. Do the two results match? Yes. Then great job. Our code is working perfectly. All right, let's do one last example to make sure this really clicks. We're going to use the same labels again. We're only changing the numbers inside them. This time, I'll put a new number in our first label. First number now holds 8, and second number will hold 10. Now we add the two labeled numbers together, and we save the answer in result. And we use print to tell the computer to show us the answer. Okay, let's hit Run. Nice. The computer prints 18. Let's double check one last time with a calculator. 8 plus 10 equals 18. Perfect. Our code is working exactly like our math. And ta-da! Great job! You just learned how a computer can add two numbers by following instructions. You did awesome today, but don't go anywhere. In the next video, we're going to teach the computer a new trick, how to subtract numbers. See you next time!